Ayan na, Tonga. Tonga number 14, dribbling the ball. Okay, what a nice defense coming from Lisa, number 18. 17 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds to shoot. Ayan na, Tonga, number 14. Pass to Almasan. Almasan, number 3. Pinasa kay De La Cruz. De La Cruz, number 24. 8 seconds to shoot. Ayan na, Ferrer, supply, nakuha ni De La Cruz for a putback. Is good for 2 points. Score is 3-0. Ayan na, Jamila, number 22, dribbling the ball. Pass to Trinos. Trinos back to Jamila. Jamila, mabilis to. Ayan na, Tonga, hindi nagpapataro. Lose ball. Kanina pong bola. Bola po ng Delta Legends.
Agenda Legends pa rin.
Hindi magpapatalo si Tonga sa kapilisan ni Jamila. Ayan na. 6 seconds to shoot. 4. Traveling violation po tayo dyan. Ayan na. Bola ng Pakong Bogi. Ayan na. Tonga na inbound. Pass to Almasan. Almasan now, number 3. Pass to Katap. Katap back to Almasan. Almasan to Ferrer. Ferrer to Katap. Traveling violation. Gumalaw ng walang dribble. Ayan na, Trinos on the inbound. Pinasa kay Jamila. Jamila now, back to Trinos. Trinos ngayon. Back to Jamila. Jamila, napakabilis na agawan ni Ferrer. Ferrer, pass to Tonga. Tonga. Pass to Katap! Sablay! Ayan na, nakuha pa rin ni Tonga. Tonga, pass to Katap. Katap! Foul! Foul by number 25, Idol Gandola. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Katap, number 26.
Apa? Ayun na.
Unang supply, last draw.
Malaksak ka.
Okay.
Basket count for Katap, number 26. Ayan na, Jamila, back to Trinos. Trinos now, naghahanap ng basaan. Pinakita niya si Giniza, foul. Foul by number 01, Ferrer. Pass ball po tayo, 14 seconds to shoot. First personal foul, first team foul. Ayan na, Sabiron. Pass to Idol. Pass to Trinos. Trinos, bitin. Nakuha ni Tonga. Tonga number 14. Long pass to Katap. Katap number 26. Busted down and 1 for Katap. Number 4, Trinos. Bonus shot for Katap. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus shot. Katap number 26. Basket count for Katap number 26. Ayan na, Jamila. Pass to Eliza. Eliza, supply. Nakuha ni Fer. Ferrer now, number 01. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz now. Ay! Nag-aalanganin si De La Cruz. Nakala niya, babanggain daw siya. Hindi pala. Ayan na, Idol Gandola. Binasa kay Jamila. Jamila ngayon, dribbling the ball. Jamila now, foul. Foul by number 14, Tonga. First personal foul, second team foul. Ayan na, Himiza, number 18. Pass to Trinos. Trinos, number 4. Pass to Sabiron. Sabiron, basket count for Sabiron, number 23. Ayan na, Almasan. Almasan now, number 3, dribbling the ball, driving to the basket, foul. Foul yun, tinawagan na ng red. Foul by number 4, Trinos. 2 shots for Almasan, number 3. Second personal foul, third team foul. Unang dirang supply, last throw. Basket down for the last throw for Almazan. Ayan na, Trinos, number 4, dribbling the ball. Trinos ngayon, nagsisenyas ng play, pinasa kay Jamila, pumukol ng 3, supply, nakuha ni Ferrer. Ferrer now, pinasa kay Katap, back to Ferrer. Supply, ayan na, nakuha ni Jamila, number 22. Jamila, pass to Trinos. Trinos now, number 4, pinasa kay Adel Gandola to Hiniza, basket down. Number 18. Ayan na, Almazan. Almazan now. Reserve time out. Ayan na, Almazan. Number 3. Pass to Katap. Katap now, number 26. What a nice driving moves. Supply, pero foul. Foul by number 22, Jamila. Time out! Takbong pogi, sira na yung buzzer. Okay, salamat po. Di buhatan ng bilang. Ayan na, 2 shots for Katap, number 26. Oh, nandirang pasok. Last row. Supply, ayan na, Jamila, number 22, dribbling the ball. Jamila now, binasa kay Trinos. Trinos ngayon, naghahanap ang pasaan, pinasa kay Sabiron. Sabiron for 3, bang! Sabiron from parking lot for 3. Ayan na, tie now, number 22, Paso Ferrer. Basket down, 2 points for Ferrer, number 01. And Hiniza, pass to Jamila. Jamila now, number 22. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Score is 7-12 in favor of Takbong Pogi. And Trinos. Trinos now, number 4. 5 seconds. Sabiron, supply. Okay, good po tayo dyan. Ayan na, Ferrer, pass to Katap. Katap now, basket down, 2 points for Katap, number 26. Ayan na, Jamila, gusto pumukol ng 3, pinasa na lang si Idol. Idol now, pinabinalog kay Jamila to Trinos. Trinos now, pass to Sabiron, Sabiron. Ayan na, what a nice defense, substitution rep. Francisco in, De La Cruz out. Ayan na, nag-ball out na inbound, pinasa kay Hiniza. Hiniza, supply, nakuha ni Ferrer, paso Taay. Taay now. Number 22, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Katap. Katap, basket count, 2 points for Katap. Number 26. Ayan na, Hiniza. Pass to Trinos. Trinos now. Pinasa kay Jamila. Jamila to sabi ron, pumukol ng tres, supply, nakuha ni Ferrer, pass to Taay, Taay now, number 22, pinasa kay Katap now, pinasa kay Taay, Taay now, number 22, what a nice pass to number 16, number 16, ay, traveling, violation, timeout, Jet the Legends. Score is 7-16. 9 points lead by Takumboge. Time clock is 2 minutes and 59 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Back to the ball game. Ayan na, Abinido na inbound, pinasa kay Hinalas. Hinalas na o ibang jersey ang ginamit. Pinasa kay Godoy. Godoy, pass to Hinalas for 3, supply. Nakuha ni Abinido. Nakuha ni Rambakal, and one by Uniza. Foul by number 29, Francisco. Bonus shot for Uniza. First personal foul, 13 foul. Bonus shot for number 18, Uniza. Supply, ayan na. Godoy. Godoy now, 10 seconds to shoot. Ayan na, nakuha ni Francisco. Paso Ferrer. Ferrer, hey, traveling violation by Ferrer, number 01. Ayan na, Hinalas na tayo inbound. Pinasa kay Abinido. Abinido back to Hinalas. Hinalas, pass to Hiniza. Hiniza to Hinalas. Hinalas to Abinido. Abinido, put to Godoy. Basket down. 2 points for number 71, Godoy. And number 22, Taay. Taay now. Dribbling the ball. Okay, pakitabi po ang sasakyan po doon, number 3100, TUT, Toyota. 3100, TUT, Toyota. Toyota Yaris. Ayan na, Taay. Number 22, pinasa kay Francisco. Francisco now, pinasa kay Ferrer. Ferrer to Pinla. Tumukol ng 3. Pinla, sumubra. Nakuha ni Godoy. Godoy now, the veteran. Godoy, number 71, pinasa kay Hinalas. Hinalas to Abinido. Abinido now, number 27. What a nice pass yun na. Nakuha ng kalaban. Foul. Foul by number 27, Abinido. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Jet the Legends. Ayan na, Taay. Taay now, dribbling the ball, number 22. Number 22 now, pinasa kay Francisco. Francisco, nice defense from Hiniza. Put back by number 16. Reson Bisco. Ayan na, Abinido. Number 27, pinasa kay Hiniza. Foul. Number 29, Francisco. Second personal foul. Both teams are warning for penalty. 14 seconds to shoot. 53 seconds remaining. Ayan na, Abinido. Fake. Pinasa kay Hinalas. Hinalas now. Basket count. 2 points for Hinalas, number 07. Ayan na, Taay. Now, dribbling the ball. Taay ngayon. Pinasa kay Francisco. Francisco, number 29. Pinasa kay Taay ulit. Taay. Basket count for Taay. Number 22. Ay narampakal. Pinasa kay Godoy. Godoy now to Hinalas. Hinalas now number 07. Number 07 now. Pinasa kay Hiniza. Hiniza ngayon. Pinasa kay Rambakal. Rambakal now. Pinasa kay Abinito. Abinito. 5. Basket count for Rambakal. 3. And that's the end of the first.